Hi everybody, how are you doing? It's Miss Britt from the Ridgewood Public Library, and today I am going to read some books and sing some songs or do some rhymes all about the beach. All right? Can you join me for this one? We'll start off with our hello song, okay? So we'll say hello to the boys and the girls and the grown-ups. All right? We'll start clapping. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Great job, great job. Okay, so the first book I have is Today is a Beach Day. And this is by Nancy Biao, and the illustrations are by Charlie Adler. Sunny days are for the beach. Pretty pails, there's one for each. Who will spy the sea and cheer? Zip, zoom, stop! Hey, we're here! Squawking gulls, a salty breeze, shifting sand that likes to tease. Seashore sounds from down below. Whoosh, swoosh, rush, off we go. Wispy waves on playful feet, rocking, rolling, feel the beat. Floating left and bobbing right, splish, splash, jump, hold on tight. Curly swells take us to shore. Find the shovels, let's explore. Pebbles, seaweed, shells to grab. Ooh, ah. Oops, that's a crab. Do you see the crab there? Silly sister lends a hand. Hurry to the ice cream stand. Sneaking tastes with hasty licks. Look, she's stealing a lick from her friend's ice cream. Blip, blop, oh! One quick fix. Fancy castles, moats with boats. No one squabbles, no one gloats. Crazy kites and beach ball fun. Oh no, whoa! Are we done? Looks like the waves washed away their sandcastle for these guys. Happy faces, tousled hair, sand that's plastered everywhere. Take a break, relax a while, squish, whoosh, rest. Share a smile. The end. Good listening, everybody. Great job. Very good. Okay, how about we get in our boats and row? Okay, we'll pretend we're rowing in the ocean. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Twist, twist, twist your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Bounce, bounce, bounce your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Big waves, sway, sway, sway your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Tickle, tickle, tickle your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. Very good. Okay, my next book is called Stella, Star of the Sea, and this is by Marie-Louise Gay. Stella, Star of the Sea. Stella and Sam were spending a day at the seashore. It was Sam's very first time. "Isn't it beautiful, Sam?" asked Stella. "It's very big," said Sam, "and noisy." You see them? Stella had seen the sea once. Before Sam was born, she knew all its secrets. "Is the water cold?" asked Sam. "Is it deep? Are there any sea monsters?" "The water is lovely," said Stella, "and not a sea monster in sight. Come on in, Sam." "Not right now," said Sam. Do you see Sam? He's all the way up here. He's waiting, not quite ready. "Where do starfish come from?" asked Sam. "From the sky," answered Stella. "Starfish are shooting stars that fell in love with the sea." "Weren't the stars afraid of drowning?" asked Sam. "No," said Stella. "They all learned how to swim." "What is this?" asked Sam. "It's a moon shell," said Stella. "It comes from the moon." "What is that?" asked Sam. "It's an angel wing," said Stella. "It comes from an angel." "And this?" asked Sam. "It's a shark's eye," said Stella. "Do you think there are sharks in the sea?" asked Sam. "Have you ever seen one?" "Just a little one," said Stella, "with an eye patch." "Are you coming, Sam?" "Not just this minute," said Sam. "Come on, Sam," called Stella. "I found a seahorse." "Does a seahorse neigh?" asked Sam. "Does a seahorse gallop?" "Yes," cried Stella, "and you can ride a seahorse bareback. Come on in, Sam." "Not right now," said Sam. "Let's dig a very deep hole," said Stella. "Why?" asked Sam. "What for? Where will we end up?" "In China," answered Stella. "Are we there yet?" asked Sam. "Let's go fishing, Sam," sighed Stella. "Maybe we'll catch a catfish." "Does a catfish purr?" asked Sam. "Does a dogfish bark? Does a toadfish croak?" asked Sam. "I don't know," sighed Stella. "I'm going swimming." "Does a parrotfish swim?" asked Sam. "Or does it fly and squawk?" "Does the sea touch the sky?" asked Sam. "Do boats sail off the edge? Where do waves come from?" "Why, Sam!" yelled Stella. "Are you ever coming in?" "Yes," said Sam. There he goes. And now he's floating in the sea with Stella. Good listening. Good job. Very good. Sam and Stella were looking at some shells, so I thought we could do a shell counting rhyme. We've got 5 different shells. 1, 2, I hope my board doesn't fall over. 3, 4, 5. Oops. 5 seashells. Can you see all of those? 5 seashells. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 little seashells sleeping on the shore. A wave came in, swish. Then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little seashells, quiet as can be. Swish went a big wave, and then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little seashells, pearly and new. Swish went the big wave, and then there were 2. 1, 2. 2 little seashells having great fun. Swish went the big wave, and then there was 1. 1 little seashell lying in the sun. Swish went the big wave, and then there were none. 5 little seashells gone out to sea. Wait until the morning, and they'll return to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. Great job, everybody. Okay, our last book now is called A Lullaby of Summer Things, and this is by Natalie Ziarnik and Madeline Valentine. See? A Lullaby of Summer Things. In the twilight blue, a porch light blinks, an upper window winks. A screen door sings a lullaby of summer things. Buckets tumbling, shovels jumbling. They're putting all their stuff away, right? Bare feet skipping, wet towels dripping. And you remember the beach that day, the sea so cool, the waves at play. A clock chimes 8, Dad shuts the gate. Old floorboards rattle, then stair steps tattle. Spot runs and hide. A closet opens wide. Red slippers sneak. 2 bright eyes peek. And you remember the beach that day, the sea so cool, and big paws at play. Faucet hissing, washcloth missing. Somebody stole it there. Bubbles giggling, noses wiggling, a toy boat tips, duck floats, and then dips. And you remember the beach that day, the sea so cool, sails far away. A nightlight glows, a shadow grows, a seashell roars, a puppy snores. Blown kisses hover in the air and under cover. Outside, squirrels sleep, distant cars beep beep, poppies close, and moonflowers pose. And you remember the beach that day, begging, begging, can't we stay? A cricket strums, downstairs Mama hums, in the dusky evening light, A sleepy house says good night. A half moon listens, one star glistens, ocean breezes sigh, your favorite summer lullaby. The end. Good listening, everybody. Great job. Thank you so much for joining me today for our seashell story time and beach story time. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. We can't wait to see you again in the library, but we're so glad that you're joining us this way now. Bye.